What's going on, guys? 40 Brothers here for another video, and of course by title, this is a little E55 update video. If you haven't watched our last video, or last two videos, we did one, changing spark plugs, and
that was a good video.
That was a good video.
Yeah.
But most importantly, we made a video on we fixed the gas. Well, we fixed it. Well, we hope we fixed it. This is our update video. So what's it been? What, 2 weeks?
Yeah. So we fixed it probably about like 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. I forget now. But yeah, if you guys didn't watch that video of us replacing that part, go ahead and watch it because it's actually pretty damn good. We replaced it. I was
fuel damper,
fuel pressure damper,
regulator, whatever.
So we didn't know for sure if that was going to fix the problem, but we thought it would. And so, like Nick said, we put about, I don't know, 30, 40 miles on a car just around town driving because the weather's been bad.
Yeah, since we fixed it, like Mike said, I couldn't really take it out. Since we fixed it, we've got non-stop snow, and on days that the snow has the roads have been clear, we've been driving around town, and so far so good. So
I haven't smelled any type of gas leak or nothing. We smell heavy exhaust fumes because one of our exhaust manifolds is cracked. And so it's smelled up the garage a little bit, but as far as the gas smell, nothing. We don't smell anything. So it looks like that might have fixed our problem.
$62, I think that far was.
It was $60-something, and we wasted hundreds of diagnostics from different mechanics.
Probably almost 1,000.
And the dealer couldn't find it either. And so it's pretty surprising that I found it. I'm not trying to get cocky or nothing, but I was the one that found that. I did some research online and found that part, didn't even know it was existed, or because you can't really see it unless you take stuff apart in the engine. And so it looks like our problem is fixed. For those of you who are wondering, we told you we'd update you guys. And I don't know.
Yeah, like before, as soon as we always check the oil on this before we drive it. Yeah. So you hit the power, and you just turn the power on without actually starting the car, and you go through the menu. And every time you did that, the garage would reek of gas station. It's like the BP station over here.
Yeah, it's like BP.
Not anymore. It hasn't done it since we fixed this. So hopefully that's good.
Yeah. So we hope that fixed the problem. I think that's pretty much it. This is just a short little update to let you guys know because I know a lot of people were wondering. We said we'd let you guys know. And I think that's pretty much it. It's a short video.
And hopefully the E55 won't be get driven in the winter too much longer because we might have something on the way. So
you'll find out in a couple days.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it. So like us on Instagram at the 40 Brothers. Give this video a like, share, or tell us we did a good job, and tell us some other stuff too. But until then, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.